Hobo to the doctor. He said, because he picked her up on me yesterday. He said, I guess you do know what she's talking about.
He picked her up yesterday.
He picked me up yesterday. So he must have asked her about a doctor's appointment.
When it's flashing, that means it's recording, huh?
Yes.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, ready for our next round of the evening. This bout is scheduled for 6 rounds in the heavyweight division, and then to lead a grudge rematch throughout the place.
Girl, that's the fight we went to.
Big Reese!
That's the fight we went to. Yeah. Not right here. No. I don't need nobody there.
First, out of the blue corner, with the red bumps and silver trim.
I'm going to go there with Darla because I can't see Reese.
He comes to us from Wilson, North Carolina. When he's been here, he's done some damage. He has a very clean record of 3 wins, 10 losses, 1 draw, and all 3 wins.
Big Reese!
Let's go, Reese! Knock out 2 of them right here along the beltway. Ladies and gentlemen, from Wilson, North Carolina, welcome the South Soldier, Maurice.
Come on, Reese! Come on, baby!
Go, baby! Go, baby! He weighed in at 255 pounds. He is undefeated in his professional career. 5-0. 3 of those wins coming our way of KO.
Freight train, baby! Freight train! Freight train!
Ladies and gentlemen, from our nation's capital, Washington, D.C. Here is John Godowski.
Don't cheat this fight.
Professional fight. Your belt stood. Your belt stood. Wait corners, wait for the belt. 6 rounds in the heavyweight division.
Go to work, Reese. Let's go hard, baby. Business.
Come on, freight train!
Let's go. Stick that jab in his face. Got all night, baby.
Come on, baby! Let's work! It's all about work, baby! Work!
Let's go, Reese. Let's start dropping that tree, big man. You got the jab, Reese. Cut him short. Cut him short. Let him know we go hard, baby. Let's go. Get out, Reese.
Oh, innocent.
No fight. Step up the ring on. Step to the side.